Hey folks, we're back to part two. Get the bolt that underneath that's holding up from the bottom of the air box. Got that. Now we got the air cleaner, air tube. Now the carburetor. We got them loosened up. These clamps. Now we're gonna pull the air cleaner out. Hopefully. A little persuasion here and there. Alright, I'm going somewhere now. Oop. Anyway, air cleaner's out. Alright, air cleaner's out. We dropped something. Here's in here. Alright. I think it does. Anyway. Alright. Alright, now we can get started real good. First of all, we'll take the electrical connection off. What was that? Where's that drop? What was it? Oh. Here's. Put it in the bucket. No. Alright. But there's a starter. We'll take the electrical connection off. I think that's I believe that's 10 millimeter.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, darn, I'm pretty good. Come on. Let's see here. Hold this stud in place. I'm gonna give Caroline do all wrench. Alright. It would happen when you're videotaping. And we got something now, y'all. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, that's off. Starter's off. Electric is off. Alright. What size is that gonna be? I think a 10. Okay, got 2 bolts holding this thing on. I believe. Or just 1 bolt. Well, we'll try the 1 for now. Undo my ratchet. Oh, it's right here. Alright. Get the 10 millimeter. Yep, 2 bolts. Well, I'll loosen all of them up down here. Here, buddy. Taking this bracket off right here that holds the bottom of the air box on. See that? All right. Yes, sir. All right. I'll reach down here now. All right. All right. Started to come out. There's an O-ring in there. Now I get a screwdriver. Good old Craftsman. Big screwdriver in here like this. There we go. Should have ate my Wheaties this morning. All right. All right, let's see. There we go. Woohoo! Starter is out. All right. Stick that up down there and see where it came out. I will. Let me see the light. All right. That is part 3. Okay. Y'all take it easy now. Thank you for watching. We'll come back to part 3.